Hello and welcome back to Phantom Stationery. So today we have got this new pen and the name of this pen is Flair CONCORDE. So this is the overall appeal of this pen and this is the overall finish of this pen. Yeah, let's open up this pen. So it does not come with a rubberized grip or so, something like that. So this is the grip of this pen. So now let's open up this pen. So when we see it's a gel pen, so it comes with a normal gel thing. Is this thing waterproof? I don't think so. This is not waterproof, I guess. Does it come with waterproofing? No. So yeah, this is the overall appeal of this pen. So yeah, that's that. Now let's see the writing quality of this pen. Let's write with this pen. So we are drawing zigzag lines, so let's draw like this. The writing quality of this pen is smooth and the gel, it's dark. The writing quality is smooth and dark. This pen is a good pen. This is a good pen. Overall, the writing quality is very good and I would give this pen a rating of 7 out of 10.